theory of the unexpected. What is not expected? A random occurrence that is impossible to predict. The value of the unknown decimal place of an irrational number. Information not contained in human knowledge, and it is not known when such knowledge will be obtained. Disjointed factor from the predictable. Unpredictable, unknown, undetermined. Relative truth is based on the differences in viewpoints that each individual has about something. But the unexpected has no point of view from anyone, because it did not happen, and it is not known when it will happen. At the exact moment that something happens, the points of view tend to be very similar, and over time they tend to change. Thus, the unexpected fact does not depend on man's vision, much less on their positions, as it does not know the unexpected. Once you know, it stops being unexpected and becomes expected. Normally, the relative truth system is proportional to the non-lethal effect of an action. Thus, the less lethal, the more relative truths are accepted. In contrast, the more lethal an action, the less relative truths are accepted. If relative truth really existed, this proportional factor could not occur. In fact, relative truth can move between what one seeks to know and doesn't know, and what one knows and wants not to know. A physical scientist seeks to know the truth, but he knows that his knowledge is partial, therefore it is relative. A man who does not take a vaccine knows that he should take it, but builds factors to define his point of view against the vaccine. A person who seeks to know the truth accepts to talk as long as the positions on a subject are not addicted to a personal dogma. Those who seek to define their personal truth tend not to listen to or analyze those contrary to their point of view. Naturalism defines the search for knowledge of the truth. Anthropocentrism defines that the truth is in the man who creates it. But if there is the unexpected, man cannot create what he does not know, unless he shows up. A natural catastrophe can be predicted by the analysis of physical laws, but it cannot be decided or postponed by an anthropocentric opinion. Measles vaccines can be given, but eternal life cannot be decreed for everyone. No matter how hard you try the logical concept, you will always arrive at naturalism, and anthropocentrism only remains if it seeks to ignore the factors that destroy the imagination that man is the center of the universe, and that natural laws are man's servants. In fact, the destruction of nature generates undesirable effects, defining that anthropocentrism will suffer from lack of natural resources. And so the real physical factors will go against anthropocentric norms, causing individuals to violate various anthropocentric norms, because of the lack of natural resources. Even though it is a predictable analysis, it is unexpected for those who strongly believe in the anthropocentrist system, as they imagine that man as the center is the answer to the problems. But problems are only really solved by getting to the best answers, to physical laws and biological organizations.
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstad.com website. News and detailed content can be found, with system of research and organization of text and video.